Hello, my data science friends. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I am Divyansh Agrawal and you're watching Tech University. Today, I have brought you yet another data science course that is offered by Triple IT Delhi, which is situated in Delhi, India. And this course goes by the name of PG Diploma in Data Science and AI. So in this video, I'll be telling you about the course curriculum, the eligibility criteria, the program fees, how to apply, everything. So stay tuned to the last of this video to know everything about this course. And if you like the video, please subscribe the channel and like the video and share it with your friends who are looking for data science courses. So I believe this Triple IT Delhi is known to every single JEE aspirant. But if you aren't aware of what Triple IT Delhi is, it stands for Indraprastha Institute of Information Technology, and it is set up by the government of Delhi in 2008. But it has set up a very good reputation among the top institutes. And this course is a PG diploma course. Here is the homepage. They have talked a little bit about their facilities, which I believe we don't need to go in. And what will you learn from this course is the foundational statistics, mathematical analysis and optimization, supervised and unsupervised learning, solving real life problems, how to explore data leveraging visualization techniques, basic ETL, extract, transform, and load techniques, theoretical knowledge and intricacies of the commonly used practices in business analytics, and in-depth understanding of business application domain. So there is a tinge of business applications as well. And who should apply? The students who have completed graduation or post graduation in computer science, mathematics, or statistics are eligible to apply. IT professionals, policymakers, decision makers, so the people even on the CXO levels who are willing to upskill their data science and AI skills can apply for this. There is no harm in that. And as for the dates, these are the dates for this year, but more or less indicative of what you will see in the next year as well. So the applications will open at in and around 10th of February in 2022. The test and interviews were starting from May 1st in this year, and the submission of fees will be in the admission offer letter. So they haven't given the date here. The registration of the new students were done on 15th of July. If we talk about Triple IT Delhi, it was established as a state university by the government of Delhi, and it's been running the full-time classes since August 2012 in its state-of-the-art campus. I do support this statement because there is one of my friends studying BTech in Triple IT Delhi, and he always brags about what the campus they have got, and I know the quality of their projects. So I always hear from my friend that whatever project he is doing. So this is one such course you should definitely look out for. If we see into the features of this program is a 9-month long course, and you have to complete 450 hours of learning, in which 310 hours are interactive sessions and 140 hours are dedicated to self-study and project work. 30 credits you have to complete, and there is a project for one term, and all courses are mandatory. So they haven't given the flexibility for any electives. Whatever the course they have given, you have to do that, and the lectures will be given by the Triple IT Delhi faculty. But I mean, this is something that you should really look out for. Triple IT Delhi faculties are really well known. I mean, they have got faculties from University of South Carolina, University of California, Rutgers University. In fact, they even have foreign professors as well in this university teaching. So they are really good in their own work, and you should definitely look out for that. And the delivery mode will be online, so you don't need to go anywhere for that. In fact, they will be also giving you the certification courses as part of this course, so you can have certifications as well, reputed certifications. As for the trimesters, there are 3 trimesters. In the first trimester, you have to complete 90 hours of classroom learning and 20 hours of lab learning. The courses are Python programming for analytics, probability and statistics, mathematics and optimization, theory, business and intelligence. So these are the courses that are offered by Triple IT and IBM jointly. Trimester 2, you have to complete 120 hours of classroom and 40 hours of lab, in which you have introduction to ML, data science, data mining, big data applications, and NLP. And in trimester 3, you have to complete 100 hours of classroom and 30 hours of lab, in which you have application of MLDL, deep learning, artificial intelligence and application, and term projects. So all in all, you have 310 hours of interactive sessions, 12 subjects, one term, and 30 credits in total. And the course delivery will be in the sense like all Saturdays of the month and one of the Sundays of the month will be the your classes. And timings are 9 to 5 with 1 hour break in between, probably for lunch, of course. And online lectures and labs will be there, so the complete mode is online, so you don't need to go anywhere. Even if you are doing job, you can without hesitation you can go out for this course while you are doing your job. As for the process of admissions, candidates need to apply and pay the application fees of 2,000 rupees. And after they receive your application, the student will be shortlisted for interview if the committee feels so. And the interview will be conducted online as well. And the successful candidate will be given the admission offer letter with the details of the fees and how to pay that, where to pay that. And finally, they can pay through a DD or by the online banking. There is another separate thing called the sponsored candidates. Like suppose your employer is sponsoring you for this particular course, and you can fill the sponsorship form and you can mail it to this particular email domain. Finally, once they receive, if you are shortlisted, you will be getting a mail. And once your online interview is done, and if you have been shortlisted, the offer letter, the respective offer letter will be sent to your sponsor, and they will pay the fees on your behalf. As for the program fees, as I told you, 2000 is the application fees, and program fees is to like 10,000 INR at a rate of GST of 18%. So your total fees roughly translates to 2,50,000. So that's a really decent amount. I mean, given the reputation of the college and whatever diploma you are getting, it's really, really good. Now, how is Triple IT Delhi different from other Triple ITs? So I am aware that people do remain confused in what is this Triple IT Delhi. So there are three different Triple IT entities in India. So this Triple IT stands for Indraprastha Institute of Information Technology, which is set up by the government of Delhi. Another Triple IT you might have heard about is Triple IT Gwalior or Raebareli, which stands for Indian Institute of Information Technology. The third Triple IT category that you must have heard about is the Triple IT Hyderabad or Bangalore, which stands for International Institute of Information Technology. That is a private entity. So these are the three. I hope I could clear your doubt as to what is the difference between this triple IT and other triple ITs. And the role of IBM is like they are teaching some courses out of that particular course curriculum. So there is a significant role of IBM here. And you will be learning some of the IBM technologies just because they use open source technologies. So it's not like you will be specific to IBM technologies, but most of the things will be done on the IBM technologies. And you will get an email ID with the triple IT domain as well. There is no hostel facility for you guys because this is going to be an online course. And if we talk about how to apply, you have to go to this particular website. This is essentially the home page, and you have to click on apply now. You can see here the apply now button. You have to register as a new student, fill up the details, and there will be a confirmation mail coming to your email address that you have provided. After confirming, you can proceed with the application fees payment, and finally, you will receive an email communication from Triple IT Delhi if you get shortlisted for an interview. And you will be getting the details of the interview in that email as well, and your interview will be conducted online. And after the conduction of the online interview, you will be getting your result for that particular interview that you appeared for. And if there is an offer of admission, you have to go and submit the program fees. Which documents are to be submitted? There is no requirement of submitting a document while applying. All you have to do is to have some verification based documents like maybe PAN card or Aadhaar card with you at the time of interview. That's all they need. And what kind of a test? So there is no test essentially. There will be only an interview based on the shortlisting done by the committee, and it will be conducted online. And as for the experience, so most of the PG courses that I have seen, the part-time courses, there is an explicit requirement that you need to have 2 or 3 years of experience. But here in this case, they have clearly written that in fact even fresh graduates can apply. So if you have done the BTech and you wish to study in Triple IT Delhi, this is your chance. You can go to PG diploma in Triple IT Delhi and you can fulfill your dream of studying in Triple IT Delhi. There is no requirement of the work experience. And even if you have the degree in humanities, then in that case as well, you can apply for this course given that you have completed two courses in mathematics in your graduation or at least one computer course in addition to your graduation. So you can apply. So that is not a big deal. And there is no scholarships, there is no discount, but you can definitely pay the fees in installments. Like in the case, like in the first semester, you can pay 50% of the fees, and in the rest of the two semesters, you can pay 25% each. The recordings will be available for you if you miss the class as well. You will be given an LMS as well where you can learn about the courses, and the technologies that they will be using to conduct classes will be Google Classroom and Piazza. And the LMS will be based on cloud, of course, and there will be a teaching assistant for 30 students who can be contacted for extra learning time if you want, maybe if you have some queries or something like that. And exams will be conducted every trimester. So there are trimesters. You have to complete an exam on each of the trimester. Yes, the assessments will be scored. And is there a minimum attendance criteria? Yes, unfortunately, yes. And more on top of that, it will be decided by the instructor. So instructor can clearly state that I want 80% attendance, I want 90% attendance. Might as well be possible that the professor says I only want 40% of attendance. So that is totally depending on the instructor. And placement support. The best thing about this course is they've got the placement support. So once the placement company started to visit Triple IT Delhi, you can go register for this. I mean, Triple IT Delhi will be asking if you want to register for the placement activities. You just go to register, and you will be getting that placement opportunity with the Triple IT, because they've got really, really good companies visiting them and really good packages being offered to them. So this was all about this particular course from Triple IT Delhi. Hope you like this course and you will apply for it. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends who are looking for data science courses. I will be talking about another data science course in the next video. Till then, au revoir.